Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Messenger not working on iPhone in iOS 17. So firstly, you have to following some steps I'm gonna tell you right now. The first step is you have to update your Messenger application. So how to update this? You have to go to your Play Store and write here Messenger. And then you'll find here this messenger option. You can see here this is open right now, but if you find this update, you have to update the messenger first. After that, if your problem is not fixed yet, then go to the next step. The next step is you have to go to your control center and you have to click on this aeroplane mode for 30 seconds. After that, if it's not working, you have to switch between Wi-Fi to cellular and cellular to Wi-Fi network. Okay, and you have to do the next step. The next step is you have to open settings, then scroll down till you find messenger. This one, messenger. Now you can see you have to offload this application. Just go to the messenger and offload this messenger. You have to install and reinstall this application. So how you can do this? You have to long press on application and you'll find remove. Click on remove and click on delete app. After clicking on delete app, you have to go to again the app store and reinstall your messenger application from here. Okay, after that, I hope that your issues will be fixed. So guys, this is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.